the latest collection of Instagrammable home garden fences design ideas. Welcome to my channel. Get ready to transform your home garden into a picturesque oasis with our latest collection of Instagrammable home garden fence design ideas. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply looking to elevate your outdoor space, our curated selection of fence designs will inspire you to create a stunning backdrop for your plants and outdoor gatherings. In this video, we've gathered a variety of stylish and innovative fence designs that not only enhance the aesthetics of your garden, but also provide practical solutions for privacy, security, and delineating spaces. From charming picket fences to modern minimalist designs, we've got something to suit every taste and garden size. Join us as we explore 1. Creative garden fence ideas to complement your landscaping. 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly fence options for a greener environment. 3. DIY projects for those who love a hands-on approach. 4. Tips on how to seamlessly integrate fences into your overall garden design. 5. Ideas that are sure to make your garden the envy of Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest trends in home garden design. Get ready to turn your outdoor space into a paradise with these Instagram-worthy fence ideas. If you find any of these designs inspiring or have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from fellow garden enthusiasts like you. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create the ultimate Instagrammable garden space. Let's get started.